Well, I'm leaving the comforts of my warm log cabin and hitting the road on a 2,000-kilometer journey back into the remote barrens on the island of Newfoundland. It's fall season, and with that comes the urge to hunt and gather food for the upcoming long, cold winter. I enjoy partridge hunting, and this time I head out and meet up with my good friends Mark and Wayne, Wayne's dog Bella, of course, as we trek across the hills and valleys on an exciting partridge hunt that's bound to get the blood just a pumping. Stay tuned, folks. It's going to be an exciting one.
Good shot! 6 for 6, baby!
Way?
Yeah.
Another star.
The left one.
Are you ready to go?
I think that's a yes. Hey. Mark just saw one on the horizon. Never got quite close enough to him, but first one of the day. Bella is locked right on a bird over there.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, there you go, buddy. Good shot, buddy. Good shot. Shh. Good girl.
No willows.
Good shot, buddy. Yeah, you get the third one too. Down there.
The third one. He's gone down there, huh?
Yeah.
Willows and rockers together. She
Was it?
pushed in birds though. Excited. Say her first bird
First
for the
birds,
day.
yeah. Beautiful birds, boy. Absolutely beautiful. Some over there too, is it? Yeah, I guess he's on the blueberries there. Yeah, it's even fresher. A lot of berries in it. Yeah, it's a lot fresher there. Bella scared one more from the top of the hill there. We're a couple of kilometers, you say, from the camp now, Mark, roughly?
A couple kilometers, I'd say, yeah.
Yeah, it's a straight line, that is. Up the hills, it feels like it's about 10 kilometers. Yeah, so it was a nice morning for walking though.
Beautiful morning.
Nice and cool. Just the right temperature, Mark just said too, for doing this kind of stuff. Wayne's over there. And Bella's working the side of the hill there.
Come on. Find the birds. Find
Oh,
the-
you got. There he goes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Good girl!
Absolutely beautiful. Man, oh man.
What do you think there, Chuck?
Nice for a water break.
Nice to stop and rest the legs every now and then.
Yeah, hear about all the stories about the birds that were here. Hopefully we can make some more.
The years gone by. Good old days. Yeah, you're right. Never yeah, these 2 days.
Oh, she's on one? Oh, so she is, look. There you go. Wayne is sporting and modeling. Another YouTube channel here in Newfoundland, Labrador. Feathers and Flies, NL. Established a couple years ago. Braden Kosh, his name is. And Mark is adding to some special effects there. Yeah, and your young fella hangs around with him, right?
Yeah.
They hunt together. Nice channel.
Yeah.
Nice content. Check them out. One just came and pitched there as we We're just standing there. Here he goes, mate. Good shot! Yeah, the first two was only just practice, eh?
Practice shots.
Too fast for the camera, but a couple jumped up there, and looks like we ain't got the two of them. Mark, you got one down there. Mark's gonna get the other one up there. Man, it seems like there's a lot up here since it got foggy, so maybe that theory is right. Fog means birds. Tastes pretty good there now.
Chuck, we're roasting marshmallows for s'mores on the Kelly kettle today. And are they ever good?
Oh, animal trails there. Meeting up with this animal trail. Mostly caribou, is it? Mostly caribou? You figure?
Caribou
I guess
crossroads.
caribou crossroads. I guess all animals will use it. I guess bears too, or moose. There's one there, look. My son. Roads everywhere. There you go. Ha ha ha! I just picked up that one, and guys got another couple just about on top of the hill again. Seems to be fast and furious there now. Well, I just see another one back there. We'll just fly in the opposite direction, so I think he's safe. It's a nice rock one just happened to
Nice rock
come right behind him,
yeah.
eh? Yeah.
Yeah, nice adult, looks like it. Nice and grey plumage. Yeah.
Really nice. Bella's just starting to, well, she is kind of poop now. Hey Bella, huh? Yeah, I'd say 150,000 steps. Oh boy, getting miserable now. We got the rain on the go and it's getting windy and cold. So we're starting to head back towards the camp a little bit. It'll be nice to get back there and get the wood stove going now. Maybe even something to eat. Probably will. Yeah. Gee whiz, boy, I think we flattened. That was a good one, buddy.
Yes, sir.
That was good shooting, brother.
I think one got out, wasn't it?
About every 15 minutes, Mark says. Starting to clear up, I think. Let's go over and give it a test run. Mark?
Come here.
Go over there, look.
Where?
Look over there, the sky over there. What's going on?
Oh, yeah. Gotta clear up.
Shoot, it's getting better as the day goes on.
Pick's pretty clean when you pick them right away. After that, it's not so easy. A few moose tracks in the trail. Haven't seen one yet, but shorter around. Boy, the skies broke free again. Absolutely spectacular-osa.
I think we both got that one.
Yeah. Got a caribou coming across the side of the ridge. Sees us too, huh? He's just curious. Oh, another big snort. Gone again. Better than that one. Well, Wayne just got the last shot for the day. We're almost back to the cabin now. Long day, we walked a long ways, but the weather got bad and that was absolutely beautiful. It's pretty much supper time. Wayne is going to put up a feed tonight like he always does. Fantastic, incredible chef and buddy on a day like today. I can't wait for it. Anyway guys, it was a great day on the barrens and quite successful. Great day with friends, and hunting is a hobby that's great for the health and great for companionship. We're gonna call it a day. So until the next video, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Whoa, Bella, come.
Hurry up, take the picture, Mark. I can only keep these rocks apart a little bit longer.
And just like that, I was back on the road to Labrador. What a wonderful few days spent with the guys. I feel refreshed and ready to tackle the tasks back at my cabin before old man winter catches up with me. And also deal with a predator that's been threatening my cabin. That'll be my next video. Tune in then to catch all the action.
Get outside and enjoy.